Hi everyone, this is Srinivas Gummadi. Welcome back to ABC English Club. Today's topic is pronunciation of ED in English. Pronunciation chart. Pronunciation of ED. In English, we form the past tense of regular verbs by adding ED. These ED endings have three different pronunciation. So, we want to make verb to in regular verbs. Definitely we should add ed for regular verbs. So these regular verbs have three different pronunciations. Everybody must know. The first one is verbs ending in a voiceless sounds. T, K, F, C, H, G, H, S, H, S, S and C, X. And second one is verbs ending in voiced sound or vowel. LMN, VGS, BRJ. Second type. Third type is verbs ending in sound T or D only. T or D. So this is voiceless sounds, consonants P, K, F, C, H, G, H, S, S, G, K. And these are voiced LMN, VGS, BRJ. So voiceless means unvoiced, So voiced sounds. Voiced, unvoiced, voiced, or voiceless or voiced. Come to the type 1. These voiceless sounds at the base verb. If you want to make verb 2 or past tense or past participle verbs, we should add ed. So ed to the base form, base verb. Here base verb is help. Last letter is last consonant sound is P. Letter also P, sound also P. Help. Then if you want to pronounce the past tense of the regular verb, we pronounce like T sound. It. So help become helped, not helped. Helped. Help. Helped. Look. So last consonant letter is K, so this is voiceless, so not looked, looked. Sniff, sniffed. Watch, watched. Laugh, laughed. Wash, washed. Kiss, kissed. Dance, danced. Fix, fixed. So these are voiceless consonant sounds. So if you want to pronounce the verb to ed endings, you sound with the T sound, not ed sound. So T sound replaced by ed. So come to the next one. Verbs ending in voiced sound or vowel. These are LMN, VGS, BRZ. So see the D, da. Call, called. Climb, climbed. Clean, cleaned. Love, loved. Damage, damaged. Use, used. Rub, rubbed. Offer, offered. Amass, amassed. So there are no extra syllable. So these voiced consonants sounds at the end of the base verb 1. You pronounce like that at the da sound, hard. Now come to the third type of sound, ed endings, id. So it means like did, or kid. How to pronounce did and kid? Like this, all the verb to are pronounced like this, did, kid, like sound, id. So want, wanted. When you see the last letter of verb 1, T or D, you pronounce like this, id sound. Want, wanted. Need, needed. End, ended. Test, tested. Decide, decided. Invite, invited. Demand, demanded. Shout, shouted. Boost, boosted. So you see last base verb last letter is T or D only. Then you pronounce like id sound. So shouted, boosted, demanded, invited. This is the way of pronounce type 3 words which verb base verbs having the T or D last letters. Now let us see some more examples, and there are some words are given. Divide below verbs according to their pronunciation. For example, here what is this? Remind. Last letter is D. So here D means the third type. So reminded. You pronounce like this. Reminded. Second one is believe. Here V means second type Buddha, love, believed. Talk. Here K is the last letter. So here K voiceless sound. So talked, T sound. Ordered. Here is last letter is R. So BRZ, R is this, ordered. Dress, SS, here is SS means first type T sound, kissed, you pronounce like kissed. Match, you see the CH is the last letter, is the first type T sound, matched. Start, last letter is T, started. Recorded, D is this is the last letter, last type or third type of sound. Recorded is like this. Scream. Element, M is here. So screamed, da sound. Asked, the K is PK sound, T sound. Asked, you pronounce like this, asked. Improved, V is VGS or V, improved. Yes. Phone is last letter is N, so element, N is phone, pronounce like phone. Paint, last letter is T, so painted, did sound. Next one, correct, last letter is T, so you pronounce as corrected. See the pass, SS is first type, voiceless, he pronounced like this, passed. Listened. So N is second type, so listened. So here walk, K is PK of flow, first type of K, T sound, walked. Visit, so here is T, so visited. So in this way you can pronounce like this by using this chart. So the first type and second type B verbs, regular verbs don't have extra syllable, but here last third type of sound T or D verbs want extra syllable, did extra syllable. So I think you can understand how to pronounce ed ending verbs, because you know very well about how to make regular verbs just adding ed to the verb one, but in pronunciation somewhat difficult. There are three ways to pronounce. Keep in mind, when you pronounce the ed verbs, ed regular verbs, ed past tense or past participle, you pronounce like this: t, did, id, da, id. So I think you can understand my video lesson. Thank you very much for watching this my video. Thank you.